Hello students. Today we will learn about the evolution of computers. Now let us talk about types of computers. There are different types of computers with respect to size, speed, storage capacity and cost. Computers can be classified in the following types. Microcomputers. These computers are small in size and cost less. They are usually designed for personal use, therefore they are also called personal computers. They are mainly used in homes, schools, offices, shops, banks, etc. These computers are given different names according to their usage. Examples: Commodore 64, IBM PC. Desktop computers. These computers are designed to fit comfortably on top of desk. Desktop computers typically come in several units such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, which are connected to each other and work like a single unit. Laptop computers. These computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These are battery operated and portable. Okay students, note that wrong input leads to wrong output. It is called GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Tablet computers. These computers are smaller and lighter than laptop computers. Common tablets have 7-inch or 10-inch screen. Tablets can be used to browse the web, play games and send emails, listen to music, watch movies, view photos, read ebooks and so on. To start any application, simply tap on its icon. Let me now quickly discuss the differences between desktop and laptop computer. Mini computers. These computers are bigger in size than that of microcomputers. They have a higher processing speed and are costlier than the microcomputers. These computers are capable of supporting 4 to about 200 users simultaneously. They are used in banks, universities and in any other big organizations. Example: PTP-8. Mainframe computers. These computers are very powerful. They are big in size with a large memory and high speed. They are designed to tackle huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use a mainframe computer simultaneously. These computers are used in networked environment. Mainframe computers are very expensive and are used in large business organizations, universities, banks, scientific laboratories, airline and railway ticket reservation, stock exchange markets, etc. Examples are IBM Z series, PTP-10 and System Z10. Supercomputers. They are the most powerful computers with a huge processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. Examples are C-Ray-1, C-Ray-2, Param, ETA-A10, etc. Students, know the fact that Tian He2 is the world's fastest supercomputer. It is developed by China's National University of Defense Technology. Param is a series of supercomputers designed and assembled by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CTAC in Pune, India. The latest machine in the series is the Param Yuva 2nd. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Charles Babbage is considered the father of computing. He invented difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. Augusta Ada Lovelace was the first programmer. ENIAC, invented in 1946, was the first general-purpose electronic digital computer. UNIVAC First, designed in 1951, was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. Computers are categorized into 4 types with respect to their speed, storage capacity, size and cost. The 4 types of computers are microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers and supercomputer.